Hey Measuring Hero, Jay here. Today we thought we'd give you a look in the day in the life of a site service technician. So I'm here at the customer side and I'm supposed to run into Stefan's, there he is. Stefan, good morning my friend, how are you?
Oh, hi Jay, how are you? Good morning, it's already in the middle of the day.
Sorry, I'm quite tired. But
I start already a couple of hours before.
Really? Okay. So you've just got here today?
No, I started already 2 days before.
2 days before, and
yeah,
before I even got here. Oh, okay.
But I have a really special job for you today.
Okay, great.
So come on, I will show you
All right.
the Metrotron 1500 is placed. So Jay, this is your workplace for today. It's our Metrotron 1500 and we are doing the maintenance. And the last 2 days, I already have done a lot. We do some backups, and I already cleaned the machine. The alignment is finished, and we adjusted the offset, the electrical offset of the moving machine. And for today, we want to move the filament. We need to open the tube, disassemble everything, and maybe it's your part. No, you can't. I will do it. I will show it to you, and
yeah, opening
you have to
the
be
tube.
very careful with the tube. It's a special job.
Okay, I know you're well trained, so I guess we'll have at it.
So the next part we do is, first we have to disassemble the high voltage cable.
Okay.
And then we open the tube and put out the filament.
Okay.
And then we bring it outside and you can change it by yourself.
Okay, that sounds dangerous, so thank you for not making me do that job in here.
Yeah, okay. Now we only need to loose the screws here, and we let it a little bit. The vacuum needs to be out, and otherwise you cannot pull it out. Yeah, I put it up to here, and then we lose these bolts. Then we can carefully disassemble it. Here it is. You see, this is the grid cap. It needs to be very clean,
yeah,
and be polished. And below this, there is the filament, and you can change it now.
Okay.
So, I already told you you have a really special job.
Okay.
So please don't touch us with your fingers.
Okay.
Use these hand gloves, and you have to put out the grid cap and exchange the filament. Here is a new one inside, you see.
Okay. Yeah.
And the old one you will see. I think you will do it.
Okay.
I will go inside and clean the tube.
Okay.
And your job is.
And this is my job. Got it. Okay. Well.
Okay. Perfect.
Good luck to me, I guess.
Yeah.
Right?
Hallo Jay, wie sieht's aus? Wir brauchen die Anlage, wir müssen unbedingt Messungen durchführen. Wie weit seid ihr?
Ja, Entschuldigung, mein Deutsch ist nicht gut, aber I'll try.
Thank you, but
Ja.
geht es schneller? Wir brauchen die Anlage, unbedingt.
Okay. Stefan, There's a really important guy, I think a customer that really wants us to move faster.
Yeah.
Is there any?
Jay, come down, come down. We work as fast as possible. Don't panic, just do your work. I do it every day and I know our time schedule and it will be no problem to finish this work. So easy.
Okay, okay. Well, thank you for that. I know that you guys are under a lot of time pressure. I see it now, but you have a calm and a presence that I don't have yet, but thank you for that. Okay, Stefan. Filament
Finish.
changed.
Perfect, perfect. Good job, Jay, good job. You can start here as a technician. I will put it back again. Good, perfect, fits good.
And yeah. I know I can't breathe. I can breathe a sigh of relief finally when that's in its home. That whole, you look cool as a cucumber, but for me, the entire time that that thing was out, I've been completely nervous.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but you did a really good job. So for the next step, we need to do the maintenance. It's a high voltage cable.
Okay.
And we also have to wait for the vacuum. It needs some times. So during this time, I would say we can go for lunch.
Okay, Essen.
Essen.
Perfect.
Okay, Jay, could you please put it inside the machine?
Okay, jobs I can do.
So this is our last step. We do an accuracy test. And if everything is fine, we can overgive the machine to the customer.
Oh, finally to the end of this. That's
Exactly.
great. Well, Stefan, thank you for giving us a view on a day in the life of a service technician. It is far more than I ever thought it would be, but a warm thank you for letting us watch you on your journey.
Okay, I think that you are here because it was a great experience to do it together with you.
Well, great, well, great. And for you out there, hope you also enjoy this little snapshot. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy. We'll see you next time.